Hello everyone, I'm going to teach you the dumbest thing I've done in a long time. This is how to play PUBG on a phone with a 3DS for the controller. I'm using an app on my custom firmware Nintendo 3DS XL, new Nintendo 3DS XL, sorry, called PinBox. Now normally this is supposed to put up on the display, but I was having issues and I was recording a video and I thought, why not try this? It's going to say touchscreen to wake up. We're going to hit start. Oh god, this is pain. We're using an app called Remoter to do this, but you could really use basically any app, pretty much. I'm going to have to use the mouse for a second just to get the game started. Apologies. I'm telling you, it's ridiculously dumb what I'm doing, but yeah. And you can see I'm actually controlling it with this. Now, I don't recommend doing this. I'm gonna make that abundantly clear. I'm just gonna turn it down. Now, and also, if you really wanted to, if you're so inclined to do this, make sure you use a phone that you don't care about. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be jumping in 3, 2, 1, go! We're gonna literally see if we can do this. Also, the camera might stop crap out at some point, I apologize, but I mean, it's PUBG on a phone with a friggin' controller. I have made some dumb videos in the past, but this might be the dumbest. Legitimately, this might be the dumbest. And just so you can see under there, let's see if I can flip that off. You can see it actually does show up on the 3DS as well. So I'm not just wasting time. Now it's on an angle. I'm gonna have to take that crap off. But yeah, you can play PUBG. But I'll show you why. I'll show you the actual purpose of why this would work. And again, this is using a remoter. It's not completely stable. This would work for like if you wanted to play an emulator or you wanted to play, yeah, like Semi or something. But as you can see, we are playing PUBG on the phone, and the back button, this button here, your ZR is the punch or your primary, and to jump you press A. I don't know how to access the inventory, so you basically fucked from that end. But here you go, it's PUBG on a phone, on a 3DS. This is seriously one of the dumbest ideas I've ever done. I'm not even kidding. Now, if you were inclined, what you could do is you could say, hey, you know, if you really want to do this and you have a phone that's spare, you know, you could actually get it working. And as you can see, if I press W, right, it works. And we're dead. And that's a demo of PUBG on a phone. So stupid. So unbelievably stupid. But there you go. That's one of the dumbest things I've done in a long time. Yeah, like it, dislike it, I don't really care. But I figured I'd show you. PUBG on a phone using a 3DS as a controller. I mean, yeah. There's just, yeah. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.